Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm here to show you things I packed to the UK. Yes, my mom came first with so many things from the village. This is Oyibin Oba, dried one. I don't know how she did this magic. She dried the Oba completely. But I have to pack in Ziploc bag. If you're heading to UK, make things transparent. You can be lucky they won't search you, but if they do, if you tie it in transparent bag for easy search, it will help. But if it is in a dark bag, you have to open every. So these are the things I packed. I packed my oil bin. I packed so many things. This is abacha. If you're from Nigeria, Nsukka, anywhere part of Nigeria, so I know few Nigerians, Imo State, Abia State, is supposed to know what is abacha. I packed my nsisa. I love the abacha nsisa. I packed it very well because I know one of these days I'm going to make it in the UK. So I packed it in Ziploc, but I got a lot. And I also got marker. The marker I'll be using to label it, name all the items for easy search. I asked so many people about palm oil. I know some people are thinking about bringing palm oil. To be sincere with you, please don't stress yourself getting palm oil, please. I came to UK and I went to African store. I got the best. Yes, the palm oil I'm using is the best. It's very okay. It's texting fine like normal palm oil. So what's the stress about you bringing palm oil? What if they search you and remove it? No need. So to me, if you want to take the risk, good, my dear. I did not come with palm oil, but right now I have a very good palm oil I'm using in the house. So don't just risk it coming with palm oil. My mom helped me and dried a lot of vegetable, both ogodas, pumpkin leaf. She dried otazi, okazi, oziza leaf, hot leaf, so many other things that she dried for me. Even oha, she dried so many for me. So I was super excited. You can see me packing everything in its transparent bag. It's very important you do it this way for easy search. Sometimes you will not be searched, but if you're searched, it is very easy for them to access what's in the bag, especially when you also label it. After packing in a Ziploc bag, I decided to label mine with marker. I make sure they have their tags on the body so that if they open the bag, they can easily identify anything at all. So that is it. I packed a lot of things. You can see a lot of leaf, dry bitter leaf. I packed enough bitter leaf because bitter leaf can last for Africa. All these things are dry. For you, if you're coming to the UK and you want to dry leaf, please dry it inside the house. Don't bring it outside the sun. All this leaf that is still greenish in color is because it was dried inside the house, under the farm, not under the sun. For the egusi, you know what is egusi? I did not blend mine. Even till now, I'm regretting while I blended part of my ogbono. I blended few of my ogbono and I left one pint unblended. I regretted it till today. I went to beach market, and I got crayfish. Very big quantity of crayfish that was about 40-something thousand. This is the crayfish I bought. So I want to grind everything in the market. So my mom helped. I started sieving, picking it out, and I blended all in the market. We got a lot of dry fish. These are all dry fish. I've already labeled with my marker like I told you. Make sure it's dry. If it's not dry, use your oven and dry them very well. Yes, like I'm a baker, that is why I'm packing my silicone molds and all that. So I packed few things to the UK as a baker. So with time, I'll still show you what I packed as a baker to the UK. These are all dry fish. I bought a whole lot of dry fish worth 100 and something thousand. Yes, it was huge. Somebody was telling me, are you sure it will pass? Yes, it will pass. See, it's better you carry more of food than clothes. I'm being sincere with you because these things are so costly here. So I bought a lot of food. Only food, almost 3 or 5 Ghana must goes or 4 Ghana must goes. So as you're packing, please make sure you're scaling it. Each person is entitled to two 23 kg bag and one hand luggage. So we are family of three traveling together. So we are entitled to 6 23 kg bags and 3 hand luggages. That's 7 kgs. So when I got school bag and my laptop bag, so it helped all the way. So we scaled this before leaving place in Calabar, and even when we get to Lagos, I rescale. These are all the things I got. You can see my crayfish well blended. These are spices, my baby milk. I got buy your milk, your Milo, every please buy. Even attach, I got attached. This is my baby's milk I'm packing right now. I even got attached for myself, wool for my baby. I don't know how I'm gonna make the hair, but these are Maggi. I bought enough spices. I love Benny, Kitchen Glory also. With my curry, you can see my curry thyme. So many, see any spice of your choice that you know you enjoy using, please buy. Just feel free to buy as many as. Like I said, African food are so expensive. And one other thing, when packing, make sure you use solo tape to hold the mouth, because when it is being wrapped up in the airport, some of your things might open up and pour inside the bag. So that is why I'm using solo tape to wrap it again and again right now. So I solo tape the mouth of my abacha and also crayfish, my egusi, even the leaves, all the dry leaves I'm traveling with before packing. So do this, is very important, so that when they are wrapping up your bag in the airport, your things will not be pouring out. Even I came with okwa, breadfruit, so dry crayfish, ogbono. So anything your hand can lay, you know what you enjoy in Africa, please bring it. Pack enough food so that before you start looking for a place to buy or restocking your house, at least you would have gone far and been able to know your left from your right. Very important. If you're new to this channel, this is your first time of watching my video, you're welcome to my channel. Please feel free to click on the subscribe button, click on the notification bell. Subscription is free, just for you to be getting a lot of my newest video. If I post new video, you will get an alert, because in this channel I talk about my experience in UK, how I came to the UK, things happening in the UK, the way, anything you want to know about UK, you're at the right place. So feel free to subscribe to my channel, because I will have a lot to be telling you in this channel. So even I packed gari, I even got ogiri. So if you're in Africa, if you're in Imo State, you will know what is ogiri. Even my dry cocoyam flour, what is archie or four dried, so many things I came with. So feel free to pack, and as you're packing, please scale it, because it can be so frustrating in the airport, especially when they see your bag is more than 23 kg. They will leave you and start attending to the next person. But even when you come prepared, well, scale your bag very well, you won't be stressed up at all. You can't be stressed up. Everything will just move straight forward, so that you can board and rest. Even I came into the UK with ogiri, that's powder. I prepared myself. So after packing, we'll head and got some winter jackets. Yes, it's very important. So just buy few. When you enter UK, you can add more. That is all for this video. I don't want it to be long. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, share to your friends and family. Thanks for watching.